LG Audio Video Home Appliances.
And Redfield for the three. Yes! What a big shot by Ken Redfield, Drago.
At nako,
Big shot.
naalala naman natin yung last year, Kenny Redfield with his deadly 3-point shot. Lamang na sila ng isa.
Down by 2 points. And look at this 3-point shot by Ken Redfield.
Obviously, nakaganda pa yung pagkabanggel nung play nila. Lumabas itong si Kenny Redfield and what a deadly shot from outside. Kailangan basket na ito.
Anong inbound ni Dignadise? Napunta kay Alan Caydic. Alan, pinasok si Alan Caydic. And San Miguel is on top, 96-95.
May isa pang timeout ang Santa Lucia.
0.7 seconds remaining. We have another timeout. We'll be back. Well, balikan natin na lang yung play, no? It was the inbound. Alan Caydic tumanggap. He was not fouled by Romy De La Rosa.
Alam kasi ng San Miguel B. Randy, napapaulin kung sino man makahawak ng bola. Ay wisely ito si Alan Caydic. The veteran that he is, pagkahawak na pagkahawak, direkta na kagad sa basket. Dahil alam niya, hindi siya papaulin kapag in the act of give up one foul, Randy.
Here is the play. Redfield. And it's San Miguel Beer taking third place of this exciting Commissioner's Cup. 96 San Miguel, 95 ang